Hey man, I want you to build me the greatest gaming PC ever made. Money's no object.
Dude, hell yeah. What games are you gonna be playing that needs such a godlike rig?
The game I'm playing needs the best parts. I need a 4090.
Got it. What game is it?
Oh, I'm also gonna need a Ryzen 7 9800X 3D.
We're Meta PCs. Of course we got it. Seriously, what game needs all of this?
And I'm gonna need 128 gigs of memory.
No. Really?
You know what? Just throw everything you got at it.
1 hour later.
All right, man. We built you the absolute best PC you could possibly need. Now, what game are you playing?
This is gonna destroy PC Building Simulator. Thanks.
Damn, I really thought he was gonna say Star Citizen.